Hello everyone. So if you've noticed, one or two people around you must have complained of hormonal issues, hormonal imbalance. That is due to chemical intake, like from foods we consume that have been sprayed with chemicals, pesticides, without thoroughly cleaning. Those hormones get into your system, mimic your hormones, cause havoc in your system because those are not for consumption. So once in a while, just to be on the safe side, it is very important to flush, cleanse your system, like just to make sure everything goes out of your system that is not wanted. And the blend of today is made with ingredients that help to balance your hormone, cleanse your system of any chemicals or waste causing hormonal imbalance, plus just help you balance your hormones as well, so you can stay healthy, free from all those complications due to hormonal imbalance, so you can get back fully healthy. This cleanses your organs, cleanses your liver, cleanses your blood, so you can stay very clean from the inside, which will equally reflect outwardly by you having a very fresh and beautiful skin tone. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with this flush cleanse of today, we'll be using very powerful natural vegetables with cleansing properties. And the first for today will be beetroot. I'll be using the leaves and the root itself. They are both medicinal, containing a lot of cleansing properties. They will detoxify, cleanse your organs, your blood, your liver, like cleanse all the waste, toxins, mimicking your hormones, causing all the hormonal issues, and you have a very clean system now, free of any chemicals or hormone. Like, this cleanses you, it takes you and you flush everything out, you poo poo pee pee everything out of your system, so no hormones can mimic your hormones, causing hormonal imbalance. So you want to clean your ingredients. Like, I will still wash thoroughly, but you want to first of all clean the back of your root to prevent any like sand or dust, like, just first cleaning, and slice up your ingredients. Even though I washed the ingredients initially, but you want to peel that the back of your beetroot just to make sure it is really clean, and slice into some good sizes that you can blend. So I will still wash these ingredients because most especially the leaves, they mostly spray pesticides on ingredients to prevent them from getting rotten before getting to the market. So I'll be using vinegar and water to wash these ingredients to prevent any more consumption of such chemicals or hormones causing hormonal imbalance. So this is it. You want to just soak for 10 minutes in water and vinegar and just set it aside while working on the other ingredients. Then you can clean and like take out the water so your fruit can be clean. So the second ingredient I'll be using will be this purple cabbage. This purple cabbage is a very, very powerful detoxifier. It is cruciferous. It helps to balance your hormones. This is very good, most especially if you're already suffering from hormonal issues, hormonal imbalance. You want to add purple cabbage in this drink for juice. So you want to get just like a handful of cabbage. So I will rinse the water, and that is it. You want to rinse, so you don't leave it for too long in the vinegar. And I wanted to use this bowl as well, so I've washed the beetroot. Now I'll do same thing with the purple cabbage. Water and vinegar. You just use water and vinegar to wash thoroughly, so it really prevents any of those pesticides or whatever hormones. Like, you don't know what they use in growing foods these days. All those hormones needs to be cleansed out of your system that mimic the hormone causing hormonal imbalance. So I'll be using half a cucumber. Cucumbers are very alkalizing to cleanse and fight diseases, form a disease fighting barrier in your system. Research has shown that it helps to prevent and cure certain kinds of cancer. Like, this is disease fighting because it is alkalizing, and you want to add it in this juice to cleanse and fight diseases from the system. And voila, that is it. Half a cucumber sliced. I'll be adding an apple because an apple a day, as doctors say, takes us away from them, because this is alkalizing as well, containing all those nutrients your liver, your organs love to perform well, so you can live healthy. Because your liver needs to be healthy, because in it, your liver is what actually detoxifies you. Your liver is what actually like takes the nutrients you need to the right organs, and like take the waste out of your system. Like your liver is the machine of your system. So your liver loves some cucumbers, your liver loves some apples, your liver loves to be cleansed and detoxified, and this is just what will cleanse your liver and leave it in good shape. So the next ingredient I'll be using, of course, to boost the process of really cleansing would be ginger. Ginger boosts metabolism, heats up your system so you can easily pass out all those waste in your system, stored up, causing hormonal issues, hormonal imbalance, making you even gain a lot of weight because your system becomes so slow because of all those toxins and chemicals in your system. Like, you need to cleanse, very important. So this is like a tablespoon of ginger you want to add in here. So you want to slice your ginger, chop into some good sizes that you can easily blend, and voila, what you need is just 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger if you are measuring. So this is it, and what you want to do now is to get your blender. You put your ingredients in your blender. So I'm starting with my purple cabbage. You just put in your blender, you add in the other ingredients, my cucumber. Make sure you slice in tiny little sizes so your blender can accommodate all the ingredients. As you can see, my blender, I'm trying to really like push in the ingredients, because you need to really chop a little bit smaller, if you're most especially if your blender is smaller than mine. And you add some water. So you want to add like 4 cups of water in here. 4 cups of water will blend to give you enough juice for 2 days consumption to really detoxify and cleanse your system. So you want to blend to get everything to a very smooth consistency. Blend, because it is very important. If you don't blend to get that very, you see, it looks so blended and smooth now. That is how you get a lot of juice. But if you don't blend for long, you might not really achieve enough juice to last you for 2 days for proper detoxification. So this is it. The next thing you want to do now is to kind of sieve and get your juice out of this. So this is what you do very quickly. You just use your strainer to get the juice, and voila, this is it. You can transfer in your bottle. You can drink 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 cup at bedtime. Just make sure it gets into a very clean system, that no food or oil interrupts the cleansing process. So it cleanses you. You can share with your family, your husband, your friend, make in large quantities, share with everyone at home. Kids can have this. Anyone in the house can have this. Very important for everyone, just to make sure we cleanse, flush out all those toxins from the system, even not to balance your hormones, but to make sure your system is free from all chemicals, toxins, so you can live healthy, free of diseases caused by all those toxins in the system. Yeah. So share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.